Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm doing the last week of April's savings challenges today, and I'm going to see how far I get with £140. That's 120 there, and I've got 20 in coins. I've also got £40 that I won on the Grand National last week, so I'm going to be putting this into my 2023 savings challenge. So I'll just keep this over here for the minute. I hope your weekend's been good to you. Today was a lovely day in London, and then it's just completely crashed now. Thunder, lightning and rain. So it is just so unpredictable, our weather. It's terrible. I know it's April and we normally have a lot of April showers, but goodness me, we've been having it from January non-stop. But anyway, no complaining, just happy to be here to do my savings challenges. Right, so if I get this money straightened out, so that's £20 in coins, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. There we go. Right, and I've got all my colours out ready. Instead of stretching my hand over to grab them out of the container, I've also got my pouch with my cards in here, and my dices are all ready to go. There, so I'm set. I'm going to start with my Sagittarian Savings Challenge today. And I will be putting in I'm going to do a planet today. Planets and stars are £5, so I'll be putting in £5 today for planet, and I will colour that in purple. Actually, it's £15 for symbols, so sorry about that. So there we have symbols. We beg your pardon. I'm off to a great start, aren't I? Now I have the luck of the draw. And the luck of the draw, we use the cards for that. I'd like to say thank you so much for all my new subscribers. Really grateful. And if you are a new subscriber, please leave a message in the comments on one of the videos just to let me know that you are a new subscriber, in order for me to pop over and say hi to you as well and subscribe to your channel. Okay, let's pick a card. I'll get that out of the glare. Right. Okay. King of Clubs. I'm getting some high numbers today. £15 gone into the Sagittarius challenge already, because I made a mistake. I really only wanted to put £5 in there, but nevertheless, it's gone in. And the King, Queen and Jacks are £20. So we're doing high today by the looks of it. And that's a clubs. Because it's a king, I don't need to mark off that it's a club. It's okay, that's fine. So I'll just put that £20 in for that. Hope you had a good weekend. I was tired because last week I had to clear out the bedroom. I've got a new bed and mattress, and this one is going to get £5 today. So I've been clearing out. I did clear out the bedroom for the new bed to be installed. They came and installed it on Friday, so I had all of the bedroom to put back together, and that took it out of me. It really did. So we've got £5 for get to 100, but it will be more than 100, because if it was all fives it would have been 100, but the ones that I did white out, these ones, they're going to be £10, and I don't mind. Right, and we've got the big roll the dice. Get that, and I'm going to do white. I ordered some new dice, so I'm waiting for those to come. I'm on the collecting end for dice. Okay, we've got 5 and 2. That's 7. And we'll roll again. 2 ones. That's £2. Okay, that one's done. And then I'll just put the money in here. I've got a lot of work to do this week with these binders because of the coins. Too many coins. And now I will do the roll and strike. It got me last week, but nevertheless I'm hoping not to run out of money this week. I'm really hoping to give all of the envelopes some love. And I will do a green for this roll and strike. That's 2. Okay. I'm going to keep on going to see how much I can strike out. 1. Oh, give me some high numbers. I need the big numbers. I can't afford it today. I can't afford it. So that's 10, 15, 18 pounds I have to put in to that. I'll do. Oh my goodness, 18 pounds, and I'll just colour that in. I can't believe it. I really do like this game though, I do, but it's not been on my side. But the good thing about it, doesn't matter, it's my money, I'm still saving, so it doesn't matter. I just don't want to run out of money to stuff the rest of the challenges. That's my only concern, but it is what it is, so we just got to go with the flow, right? And then now we've got roll the dice, double the savings challenge that I like so much. Okay, that's 6. That's £12. And that's it. That's what's going in here. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. And that's going into the jar. I didn't bring the jar. Hang on a sec, I'll just get the jar. There we go. I needed some change, so that's why I've got a £10 note in there, because I needed some change. Right, that's that. Just leave that one there. I need to sort out these coins. Now I have the April. And I'll just colour this, speed it up. I'm going to put £20 in, because I need to start the May next week. I've decided to put the £20 in so I can finish April now, because next week I've got May to start, so I'll just do 20, and that's completed, all completed. And then I have the 52-week challenge, which is going to get £10. I've got some change. Got some change here. Even though I really want to stuff as much as I possibly can into my Save 2023, I still want to give all of my challenges some love. So I will just leave that to one side, and let's do the Save every day in April, because when it's over it's going to be May. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the 21st. I'll mark off to the 21st, so that will be okay, so that's 5, 6, 8, 11, 12, 15, 20, £21. That's 21. And look, £21. Lovely. That's all done, and I will just put it in to I've got the Roll and Strike in here, and it's going to be May, and also I've put the Shut the Box, and I haven't started playing that as yet. I will. Got £50 to put in to my Save 2023 in 2023. Right, let's see, let's do 50 here. Let's do a brighter 50. There we have it, 20, 40, 45, 50. I'm really challenging myself with this one this year. Really am challenging myself. It'd be nice if I could do it for the 3rd time before the ending of the year, but we'll see how things goes. I've got to start digging out some more stuff so I could sell and get some extra money collector's stuff. It has been lovely stuff in my envelopes. Look at this. This can't close, so I'm going to sort it all out. I have to. It's a mess now. It won't close, so I've got to get that all sorted out. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.